Top 5 Stomach Ulcer Healing Foods You Need Every Day. Are you tired of dealing with the constant pain of stomach ulcers? What if I told you that your kitchen holds the secret to soothing that burn? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 5 stomach healing superheroes you need on your plate every day. Before we dive into our list, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our health and wellness tips. Causes of stomach ulcer. Before we unveil our top picks, let's understand our enemy. Stomach ulcers, those pesky invaders of our gut's peace, can arise from a few culprits. The most notorious is the bacteria Helicobacter pylori, which sneakily damages our stomach lining. Another accomplice is the long-term use of NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, which can weaken our stomach's defenses. Complications of stomach ulcer. If left unchecked, these ulcers can lead to complications that are more than just a nuisance. We're talking about internal bleeding, infections, and even blockages in the digestive system. That's why it's crucial to arm ourselves with the right nutrition. Now, let's explore the top 5 stomach ulcer healing foods. 1. Cabbage. Cabbage contains vitamin C, which is crucial for the immune system and the repair of tissues. Glutamine, an amino acid found in cabbage, helps to nourish the cells lining the stomach and intestines, supporting their integrity. Antioxidants in cabbage, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the stomach. This can be particularly helpful in reducing the risk of stomach ulcers and other digestive issues. The presence of these nutrients makes cabbage a valuable addition to a diet aimed at promoting digestive health and combating bacterial infections like H. pylori. 2. Apples. The high fiber content in apples aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in apples, forms a gel-like substance in the stomach that can help protect the stomach lining from irritation caused by excess acid. Calcium, magnesium, and potassium in apples play essential roles in various bodily functions, including muscle contraction and nerve transmission. In the context of digestion, these minerals contribute to maintaining proper muscle tone in the digestive tract. Regular consumption of apples can help regulate acidity levels in the stomach, potentially reducing the risk of acid reflux and related discomfort. 3. Yogurt. Probiotics present in yogurt are live microorganisms that provide numerous health benefits, especially for gut health. They help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive tract, which is crucial for proper digestion and immune function. The protein content in yogurt supports muscle growth and repair, including the muscles in the digestive system. Additionally, calcium contributes to the normal functioning of digestive enzymes. Incorporating yogurt into your diet can help alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and promote overall gut health. 4. Honey. Honey's antibacterial properties stem from its high sugar content and low pH level, which create an inhospitable environment for bacteria like H. pylori. This makes it a natural remedy for combating bacterial infections in the stomach. Antioxidants found in honey, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from damage. This protective effect extends to the digestive system, where antioxidants can support tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Prebiotics in honey serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and activity. This can contribute to a healthy balance of microorganisms in the digestive tract. 5. Decaffeinated green tea. Polyphenols, particularly catechins, are abundant in green tea and have potent antioxidant properties. These compounds scavenge free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the stomach lining. Green tea catechins also exhibit antibacterial effects, which may help inhibit the growth of H. pylori and other harmful bacteria in the digestive system. The soothing properties of green tea can alleviate symptoms of indigestion and provide relief from discomfort associated with digestive disorders. Additionally, its mild caffeine content in decaffeinated form can stimulate digestion without causing excessive stimulation of the nervous system. Remember, while these foods can support stomach health, they should complement the treatment prescribed by a healthcare professional. Always consult with a doctor for personalized medical advice.